Hello everyone, welcome to another video. It is freaking cold. It is like 21 degrees. For my people that don't, let's see, what is it there? Yeah, 22, so like -5 Celsius. Anyhow, we had our first snowstorm of the year. Let's see how much I piled this up, but priorities, shoveled out the pizza grill, pizza oven and my grills, and we're going to make some snow pizzas today. Let me spin this around so you can get a look at everything back there. Snow, snow, snow. So anyhow, I'm going to get this up, get this thing preheating, get that wood going, go in. I think we're just going to make a white pizza or two. It's early. It's only like 9:30, but we decided to have pizzas today for breakfast. Hey, why not? So let me get this camera hooked up and get this thing fired up. Here we go. All right, so my butane lighter does not want to work in this cold weather. So we're going to do a combination here of this to get it lit, and hopefully that'll be enough to... There we go. Just a little cold. Well, that was a real bugger. This butane lighter did not want to work, and it barely just put a small flame out. So I got a small little fire going, and I closed it right away. So I'm going to go in, and hopefully in about 10 minutes, we'll have it going. Then I can start filling the hopper. So fingers crossed. Here we go. What, crybaby? There we go. There's the stuff.
Wait.
Tomato, cheese, pepperoni. There's the dough. We got to get that rolled out. Uh-oh.
Why did I put a paper towel?
I don't know. We got
Oh my God.
oil and garlic. And then we got some basil from our Aero Garden, indoor garden. So I've rolled this out before. I'm not going to go through all the steps, but there's everything lined up. We'll get it together. I'll see you outside. All right. It took about 10 minutes or so, and the flame finally caught. You can see it's already coming up the tube. So we'll get the hopper filled. In probably another 5-10 minutes, since it's so cold out, we'll be able to get it up to temperature. See if I can. So there it is. If I were to open this, then the draft would blow it back, but that's what it looks like inside. There we go. That's a beautiful shot. Oh, buddy. You want pizza? You want pizza? Yeah? How about you, Trouble? Do you want pizza?
We want pizza.
Yeah, you want pizza.
It's our breakfast.
Yeah. How about you? Do you want pizza?
No. No pizza.
All right. Let's see where we're at here. Oh, 700. Yep. All right. That's the temperature I like to pre-bake the dough. All right. All right, we're in business. Oh. Yeah, I like to pre-bake the dough. Some people wait till it gets up to, I guess the proper way is to get up to over 900 degrees. When I get to 700, I like to pre-bake my dough a little, cook it about halfway, then put the toppings on and then finish. That's just how we've been doing it. This is only about our 5th or 6th time making pizzas. I don't know if you can hear the snow plows down there. You know what? I'm gonna flip it just for a second. -7 Celsius. Just another couple seconds. All right. That's the pre-bake. Okay, load her up.
Load her up.
Olive oil and garlic.
Well, it's green garlic for some reason. That's all we got.
It's not much oil.
We don't want a lot of oil.
Yeah, I think last time, yeah,
Too much oil.
I'd be swimming.
I can always throw a little more on. But...
Ah, that's good.
All right, now what? Cheese.
Wow. Yep. We bring it over. Oh, you got that? There you go.
Cheese. Lots of cheese. This
Jax, we know.
This is mozzarella. Oh, can you get Parmesan?
Parmesan? Somebody wants some pizza. On the left. There we go. All right.
Good.
Mozzarella,
Mozzarella.
provolone,
Parmesan.
Parmesan. What else we got? Some tomato.
Tomato. Not too many because it gets soggy.
A crying
Basil
cat.
after.
Basil after.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Good.
There you go. Yep. Oop. There you go.
Out we go.
Here, I got it for you.
I got it. Okay. One-handed. Here we go, going in. Switch hands, I'm right-handed. There we go. Flames coming out the back. That's because when that's open, the wind's blowing through and it's blowing it out the back. And then this is the hopper. See, there's pellets in there. That's what feeds it, automatically feeds. Ooni. O-O-N-I. See, it's starting to bubble nice over here. Ooh, how nice and brown that's getting there. So let's get this to the back. Boom. Oh, look at that. I'm going to go 10 more seconds. That's a beauty. Okay, there it is. Little basil.
Tomato, garlic.
It looks real good. Looks like a little extra cheese there, chef.
I think I overdid it with cheese.
That's okay. And then that's number 2 ready to go, but I'm just going to show you the first one today.
Okay.
Taste test?
Go ahead, you do it.
There we go, let's go. There you go. Cheers.
Cheers. Sure.
So good.
You took a picture of this?
Yeah, that's right. There you go. There's our...
Give me some more garlic.
I think it tastes pretty good. I think that's our 5th attempt. Can't go wrong with that. Garlic and olive oil, basil and tomato. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time. Woohoo! Bye-bye. That's number 2. I wasn't going to show it, but look how nice that came out. Yeah.
Did.
Somebody wants some. Somebody's already in my seat.
Ooh, look at that.
This is more sauce and cheese and pepperoni than normal. This is the white one that it's almost gone already. So, anyhow, that's number 2. Just wanted to show you.